Hey friends, if you encounter the error, your browser is managed by your organization in Mozilla Firefox, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, before we proceed further, I want you to know this one thing. If it says your browser is managed by organization and you're connected to a domain joined computer, to an organization computer, if you're on a company network or your school or some other network, then you will have to contact the IT administrator because they have set a policy which is preventing you from changing any settings in Firefox. But if you have shifted to a home network, then here's what you have to do. Click on the hamburger symbol at the top right corner and then select help. Click on more troubleshooting information and then select this option for refresh Firefox, this one here. And then click on refresh Firefox once again, this red button. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.